Welcome to Patrick Hyundai. Today we're going to review the benefits of Hyundai's certified pre-owned vehicles. Patrick Hyundai boasts one of the largest certified pre-owned inventories in the Chicagoland area. Whether you're looking for an Accent, Elantra, Sonata, Genesis, Tucson, Santa Fe, or Vera Cruz, we keep the best selection in stock, from basic to fully optioned. They're completely factory certified and reconditioned, and they're ready for immediate delivery. Right now, I'm going to show you one of our Hyundai certified pre-owned Sonatas. You're going to love it. Our service department is where Hyundai's pre-owned certification process begins. In order to meet Hyundai's strict standards for performance and appearance, each certified pre-owned Hyundai goes through a rigorous 150-point check by one of our Hyundai factory-trained technicians. Major components such as the engine, transmission, electrical system, cooling system, air conditioning, steering, and suspension are examined and reconditioned where necessary. Brakes and tires are guaranteed to be above normal pre-driven vehicle specifications. Additional benefits include rental car coverage, trip interruption coverage, special finance rates, and complimentary XM satellite radio service for 3 months. Hyundai's certified pre-owned program takes the worry out of buying a pre-owned vehicle. It's a great choice for people looking for a like-new vehicle without the new car price. Thank you for checking out Hyundai's certified pre-owned program. I invite you to come in and see our extensive certified pre-owned vehicles in person.
Thank you for watching our Hyundai certified pre-owned vehicle presentation today. I am proud to say that we are the #1 pre-owned certified Hyundai dealership in the entire Chicagoland area. We hold the #1 position for several reasons: price, selection, and condition. We have it all here. From the economy accent vehicles to our flagship Genesis models, we have every color and equipment combination available for your immediate delivery. But the most important reason for our success is you, our customers. You have told us that our selection of pre-owned certified vehicles is better than any other inventory around in Chicago, and the sales process was quick and easy. When you stop by Patrick Hyundai, you will receive the professional treatment that you deserve when buying your next vehicle. So stop on by and experience the Patrick difference. Thank you for watching our video today, and I look forward to seeing you in our showroom soon.